Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the substitution method and continuation of substitution method. In yesterday's class, we have discussed three methods. Means only we have told that algebraic methods are substitution method, cross multiplication method, and elimination method. In linear equation in two variables, we have graphical method and algebraic methods. We completed graphical method. Now we are solving substitution method in algebraic method. Okay. Today I will continue the same exercise 3.3. Second question. What is the second question? Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of m. M means slope. For which y is equal to mx plus 3. What is y is equal to mx plus 3? That is a straight line. That is also a straight line. See here, what we have to do in this problem is, first we have to solve these two problems by using substitution method. What will you get? You will get x and y value. In all problems we got the same thing. In all problems we got x and y value. In all problems we got x and y value. Here also you will get x and y value. Those and x and y value should input in y is equal to mx plus 3. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Then you will get m value. Then you will get m value. Understood? Solve these two. You will get x and y value. Put those x and y in. Y is equal to mx plus 3. You will get m value. M is nothing but slope. M is slope. Okay. So shall we solve now? Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Now what we have to do is derive x value. Derive x value. However you want. Equation 1 implies 2x is equals to 11 minus 3y. X is equals to 11 minus 3y by 2. Take this equation as 3. Substitute where? Substitute x in 2 in equation 2. 2 into 2x minus 4. What is equation 2? 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. What is x? X is 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 2 get cancelled here. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y is, shall I write directly? That is 7y is equal to minus 24. Plus 11 goes to the right side. What happens? Minus 11. 24 minus 11. 7y is equal to minus 35. Minus get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 35 by minus 7. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to minus cancel. 7 ones are 7 5s are. So we got y. Substitute this in equation 3. Substitute what? Y is equal to 5 in equation 3. In equation 3. So x is equal to 11 minus 3 into what is y? 5 divided by 2. 5 3s are 15 divided by 2. X is equal to 11 minus 15 is minus 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Now we got x and y value. X and y value. What we have to find out? Find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 and y is equals to what? 5. Substitute. I will write substitute in the previous. Substitute here. Substitute x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5 in equation where? Y is equal to mx plus 3. What is y? 5. What is m? We have to find out. What is x? Minus 2 plus 3. Okay. See here, plus 3 comes to the left hand side. What happens? Minus 3. This is minus 2m. 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 2m. So m is equal to 2 divided by minus 2 to 2 cancel, m is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus 1. Understood what we have did here? By solving these two by substitution method, we got x and y value. These two values should be substituted in y is equal to y here, x here, y is equal to mx plus 3, you will get m value. Got this? Let's pass on to the next question. Again we have to do the same thing. By using substitution method, we have to solve x and y, means we have to find out x and y value by using the given statements. We have to write the equations like this. Next to solve x and y. Solve x and y. Okay. Next, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. So first question, shall I raise? Okay. Next, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. The difference between first equation, what is the equation? Third question, first one. The difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. What is the first equation here? The difference between two numbers is 26. Sorry, first you have to take the two numbers which are there. Let x be the bigger number. Let x be the bigger number or larger number, and y be the other number. They have given some other number, that is y be the other number. Okay. Now given that the difference between two numbers is 26. See here 26 is there. Difference between two numbers is 26. Will you take x minus y or y minus x? Will you take x minus y or y minus x? You should take bigger number first, because here the value is positive value. That's why we have to take x minus y, because x is bigger. See, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. That is positive value. Which is bigger here? X is bigger. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Here negative. Here what we have? Positive. So take x as bigger number. Got this? Next. And one number is thrice the other number. One number is thrice the other number. One number is 3 times the other number. Which is bigger? That should be written as here. Which is bigger? See, one number is thrice the smaller number. See, here I am taking some 27. 3 into 9. 3 9 how much? 27. Which is bigger here? 27 is bigger. So you should take bigger number in the left side. So now you come to know how to take the equations. Take this equation as 1, take this equation as 2. Now we know directly x is equal to 3y. So substitute equation 2 or x is equal to 3y in equation 1. What happens? X minus y is equal to 26. Equation 1 implies x minus y. What is equation 1? X minus y is equal to 26. From equation 2, what we can write? What is x here? 3y minus y is equal to 26. 2y is equal to 26. Y is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 26 by 2, y is equal to 13. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay. What is the value of y? y is equals to 13. Substitute y is equal to 13 in which equation? In equation 2. In equation 2. So x is equal to 3 into 13. 3 into 13. Therefore x is equal to 3 3s are 9. 1 3s are 3. 13 3s are how much? 39. Therefore, what is the bigger value here? So bigger number x is equal to how much? 39, and the other smaller number or other number is equal to 13. Is equal to 13. Got this? Okay. Next problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. I am going to write equations like this. You should solve it for homework. Okay, second problem. I am going to write equations like this. You should solve the second problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Okay, so what is the given? Supplementary angles. So what are the supplementary angles? The sum of two angles is 180 degree. What are the supplementary angles? The sum of two angles is 180 degree. Means 90 plus 90, how much? 180. And 110 plus 80, how much? 180. Sorry, 110 plus 80. 180. Okay. Like that, you should solve 110 plus 70 is 180. Understood? Like that, sum of two angles is 180. See here. Second question, I am going to write equations. You should solve like this. Substitution method. Solve for x and y. See here. Like larger angle is equal to x degree, and smaller angle or other angle is equal to y. Understood? Given that, what is the given? Supplementary angles is equal to 180. We know that obviously supplementary angles, the larger of two supplementary angles, exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Given that the larger is x, supplementary angles means x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Always wherever you go supplementary angle means two angles come. For example, I am taking this as 100. What will be the y? 80. 100 plus 80, how much? 180. I am taking this as 110. What will be the y? 70. 110 plus 70 is 180. So sum of two angles is 180. Those angles are called supplementary angles. See here, like this. If it is some 60, this will be 120. Sum of these, this is x, this is y. Sum of these two angles is 180. This is called supplementary angles. Okay. Next, larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degree. Given that, see that remove that two supplementary angles. In that statement, remove that two supplementary angles. The larger angle exceeds the smaller angle by 18 degree. The larger angle exceeds means increases the smaller angle by how much degrees? 18 degrees. This can also be written as, no need to write again. Okay. Take this equation as 1, this equation as 2. Directly substitute in this value, you will get some x value, and substitute that equation into, you will get y value. Will you solve this by using substitution method? See, put the x value in equation 1, you will get some value. The answer should be x is solution. The x is equal to 99 degree and y is equal to 81 degree. 81 or 80? 81 degree. Understood? X is equal to 99 degree and y is equal to 81 degree. This is the solution when you solve these two equations. Okay, this is for homework. Next. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. Means 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Clear is this? So this is this. You can understand. Solve these two by substitution method and same as it is. You should solve. Find the value of x and y. You will get x is equal to 99 and y is equal to 81. What is sum of supplementary angles? 180 degree. Sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. Next. A cricket coach of cricket team, already I said the question, means I read the question. Next. The cost of 1 bat. Anyhow, you know how to take. If you don't know the cost, what we have to take? Let cost of 1 bat is how much? X rupees or rupees x, however you want, you can write. And the cost of one ball is equal to y rupees, and the cost of one ball is equal to y rupees. So by using the given statement, what we can do? We can write the two equations. That is the the coach buys how many bats in the first line? 7 bats and 6 balls for how many rupees? 3,800 rupees. 3,800 rupees. And again, she buys how many bats and balls? 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. For 1,750 rupees. Like this you have to write the equation. So from this I am deriving x value. Equation 1 implies, from this I am deriving x value. 7x is equal to plus 6 goes to the right side. That becomes minus 6y. Therefore x is equal to 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. Take this equation as 3. Now what we have to do? Substitute this in equation 2. Substitute x in equation 2. 3 into what is x? 3, 8. Wait. Either you can take x or y, no issue. If you take 7, it will be complicated. Otherwise, take y, because y 7 1 7 7 5 35. It doesn't divide with 7. So take y. Either you can take x or y. This will divide. 6y is equal to 3,800 minus. Either you can take x or y. That is, simplification is lengthy. That's why I am taking 6y. Divided by, so y is equal to 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6. Now substitute y in equation 2. 3x plus, what is y here? 5 into 3,800 minus 7x. Why I have taken this is, see here, 3,800 is divided by 2. Means 2 ones are 2 nines are. We can divide by 2. Here also 2 threes are. That's why I am taking y value. If you take x value, you can't divide. If you take, because it comes 7 we can't divide by a common divisor. is equal to, which is this equation? Equation 2 implies 1750. Now 3x multiply this 5 to both the terms. 3x plus 5 into 3800 by 6 plus into minus 7 5 35 x by 6 is equals to 1750. See here we can divide it by 2. 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 9s are 0 0. Okay. 3x I am writing this here minus 35x by 6 plus 0 0 9 5s are 45 4 carry 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by 3 is equal to 1750. Take this to the right side and take LCM. 6 3s are 18x minus 35x divided by 6, which is equal to 1750 minus 95. This simplification is very lengthy, so you should have some patience. Means for you, not for me. In 35, if you subtract 18, what happens? In 15, if you subtract 8, is 7 and 27. 27x divided by 6 is equal to how much? It comes 3 0 5 3 is 15 7 3 is 21 plus 1 carry 2 3 1s are 3. If you simplify you will get the answer, don't worry. Divided by 3. Okay. Let me check. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. No, it's not a divisible. Like this. 27x is equal to 1500 minus here negative symbol, because highest number symbol is 27x. Now subtract 9500 minus 5. This is 5 not 4. This is 17 and this is 5. Okay. Now subtract these two, you will get how much? Divided by 6. If you subtract 9500 minus 5250, what happens? 4250. It comes 4250. It comes 425 minus 4250 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 17x is equal to, multiply this 2 here, 0 5 2s are 10 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. Minus get cancelled. So x is equal to 8500 divided by 17. Therefore x is equal to, the simplification is lengthy, I agree, but you should only solve in examination. Nobody will come and help you in examination. Therefore x is equal to how much? 17 1s are 17 5s are how much? 85. So x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500. Got this? Everything is simplification and remaining is substitution method only. We are substituting y value in equation 2 and go on solving You got x value. Now substitute this x value in equation 3. In equation 3 you will get y value. Let me start. Okay. To substitute x is equal to 500 in equation 3. So this is the equation 3. Substitute what? X is equal to 500 in equation 3. What is equation 3? Y is equal to 3800 minus 7 into 500 divided by 6. So y is equal to 3800 minus 7 5 are 35, remaining 2 zeros divided by 6. Therefore y is equal to 0 0 8 minus 5 is 300 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6 5s are. Therefore y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. Initially what we have taken is cost of bat is x and the cost of bat is wall is y. Therefore, cost of one bat is x, which is equal to 500 rupees, and the cost of one ball that is y, which is equal to 50 rupees, Understood? Okay. The same procedure, but simplification is lengthy. Next, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105, and for 15 km and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does the person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? See here, a taxi is there, a taxi driver, he charges initially fixed price, and for example I am kilometers like 50 rupees. Okay, that is taken as fixed charge plus variable charge, that is charge per kilometer. I am traveling somewhere from here to some Yadgir to like Gulbarga. From here to some middle, I don't know the places. Here to some middle place, I am fixing the charge. See, I am going Yadgir to Gulbarga. Some place is there. I was going to Yadgir to Hyderabad. Gulbarga is there. Okay, Gulbarga is there. From Yadgir to Gulbarga, there is a fixed charge that is X, some 100 rupees. Okay, Yadgir to Gulbarga, there is some fixed charge that is 100 rupees. From Gulbarga to Hyderabad, the charge is varying. Means he is taking some amount like 2 rupees per kilometer or 3 rupees per kilometer. Okay, we have to calculate this X and how much he is varying per kilometer Y. Did you understand this? From Yadgir to Gulbarga, the charge is fixed. That is X rupees. We don't know the X. We have to calculate. And from Gulbarga to Hyderabad, per kilometer, the charge is varying. So we have to calculate that varying charge and the fixed charge. Got this? Now, which question it is? Fourth question. Let the fixed charge is equal to X rupees. We don't know the fixed charge, how much he has fixed. Okay, let the fixed charge be X rupees and charge per kilometer is equal to Y. Charge per kilometer is equal to Y. Now, by reading the statement, we have to write the equation. He is telling that for a distance of 10 km, there is a fixed charge, and there is a fixed charge for each equation. See here. With the charge of distance covered, a taxi charges in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Means fixed charge plus distance covered. distance covered per kilometer. Initially he covered 10 kilometers. Initially first he has fixed charge plus he covered 10 kilometers with charge per kilometer. How much he has taken? How many rupees he has taken? He has taken 105 rupees. He has taken 105 rupees. And for another place, from here to Raichur, what he has done? He has a fixed charges and he has also taken 15 and he has traveled kilometer. He has charged per kilometer 15 kilometer varying charge per kilometer. He has taken 155 rupees. He has taken 155 rupees. Did you understand? Here what he has done is from Yadgir to Gulbarga and Hyderabad. Yadgir to Gulbarga, Hyderabad. From Yadgir to Raichur, Shahpur. Okay, Raichur, Shahpur, Raichur, Gulbarga, Hyderabad. See, initially what he has done is here to here charge is fixed. Here to here charge is fixed. From here to here 10 kilometer. What he has done? He has taken a amount which varying charges. Like he has taken. I don't know the price. We have to calculate. For 1 kilometer, he has taken some 2 rupees, 3 rupees. Okay. If he has taken 2 rupees, what will the amount? 10 to the 20. If he has taken 3 rupees, 10 to the 30. Like he has taken per kilometer. This is the varying charge. From here to here, x is fixed. From Shahpur to Raichur, how many kilometers are there? 15 kilometers are there. For both, he has charged. This is 105 rupees. This is 155 rupees. Understood? Here also, for 15 rupees, how much? For 1 kilometer, how much he has taken? We don't know. For 15 kilometers, he may charge 5 rupees per kilometer. Means 15 5 is 75 rupees. Like this. Okay. Per kilometer, this is per kilometer. Y value is per kilometer. He has traveled 15 kilometer, 5 rupees per kilometer. But we don't know how much he has charged. How much he has charged? We have to calculate by using these two equations. So solve by substitution method. Put x is equal to whatever you want, you can take. Put from equation 2 implies from equation 2 x is equal to what? 155 minus 15y. Substitute. Will you solve this? Substitute x in equation 1. What is 1 here? 155 minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105. 155 goes to the right side, minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105 minus 155. 15 minus 10 is minus 5y is equal to minus 105. 5 cancel 50. Okay, minus 50. Therefore, y is equal to how much? 50 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Therefore, y is equal to how many rupees? 10 rupees. That is varying charge. Means he has taken 10 rupees per kilometer. 10 tens are 100. 10 50s are 150 rupees he has taken for varying charge. Now y put this equation as 3. Put y is equal to 10. Put y is equal to 10 in equation 3. What is equation 3? X is equal to 155 minus 15 into 10. X is equal to 155 minus 150. X is equal to 5 rupees. X is equal to 5 rupees. X is equal to 5 rupees. Fixed charge is 5 rupees and charge per kilometer. How much he is taking after fixing the charge? 10 rupees he is taking per kilometer. 10 rupees he is taking per kilometer. So 5 rupees for fixed charge plus 10 into 10, 100. 100 plus 5 is 105. Like this. Okay. Therefore, fixed charge No need to write this. Fixed charge is equal to 5 rupees, which is equal to x, and charge per kilometer, which is equal to y, is 10 rupees. Got this? Next. Shall I erase? See, this is very easy problems. You should keep your mind and solve. Don't fluctuate your mind while solving, because when you take equations properly, you will get easiest solutions and you will get good marks. Next. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. See here, first read the question properly. This is new for you. So initially it may become little difficult. Later it will be easy. First you have to practice. The same problems will continue in the cross multiplication method and elimination method. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. We don't know the fraction. What we have to find? Find the fraction. We have to find in the last line they have given. Find the fraction. Which one? Fifth question. I am going to give the equations. You should solve by substitution method. Okay, find the fractions. Oh, I can solve. Time is there. Okay, next. Let x by y be the fraction. Let x y by y be the fraction. What is the given here is a fraction becomes, see here, a fraction becomes a fraction. What is the fraction? X by y is the fraction which we don't know. It becomes 9 by 12. It becomes 9 by 11. Sorry, not 12. 9 by 12 when, see, observe properly. Observe properly. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. What is the fraction we have taken? X by y. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 when 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. When 2 is added to the both numerator and denominator. Got this? A fraction becomes 9 by 11 when 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Understood? See here. This one I am writing to the left side. X plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. We have to solve this, and again another fraction is given. Again, a fraction becomes 5 by 6 if it is added to the both numerator and denominator. If the numerator and denominator. Got this? A fraction x by y becomes 9 by 11 when you add 2 to the both numerator and denominator. This same fraction becomes 5 by 6 when you add 3 to both numerator and denominator. What we have to do? We have to take two equations. Solve those. We will get x and value. X by y. That is the fraction. Okay. See here. Cross multiply this. 11x plus 11 to the 22. 9 into y 9y plus 18. So 11x minus 9y plus 22 minus 18 is equal to 0. 11x minus 9y plus in 22, if you subtract 18, that is 4 is equal to 0. Take this equation as 1. Similarly, you have to solve this equation, second equation. I said no, first you have to write the equations properly. Cross multiply this. 6 into x, 6x plus 6 3s are 18. 5 into y, 5y. 5 3s are 15. I am writing directly. Is there any problem? 6 into x plus 3, 5 into y plus 3. No need to do all this. 6x minus. If you know, you can write directly. Minus 15. Everything transferred to the left side. Everything transferred to the left side. Okay. 6x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Take this equation as 2. Wait, I am checking whether the equations are 11x minus 9y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 5y is equal to plus 3 is equal to 0. Anyhow, if you want, you can write however you want. This is the substitution method. I am taking this 4 to the right side. Wait, this is the substitution. This like this also you can solve, but it will be difficult to you. Okay. You will get the same equations, but it is difficult to you. See here, I am taking this to the right side, this to the left side. 15 minus 18, which is equal to minus 3. This equation as 1. Means this was plus 3, I sent to the right side. This one like this is equal to 18 minus 22, which is equal to how much? 4, that is minus 4, highest number symbol. Highest number sign. Sorry, highest number sign. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, take equation 1 or 2. Means to get x and y values. Now I am taking. Wait. Now I am taking this value. Means x is equal to value, this one. Equation 1 implies what is 11x here? Minus 4 plus 9y. X is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11. Take this equation as 3. Take this equation as 3. What happens? What happens is substitute x in equation 2. X in equation 2. What is equation 2? I am writing here. What is equation 2? 6x, sorry, 6y. 6 into what is the value of x? Minus 4 plus 9y by 11. Okay. Equation 2 implies what is the value of x here? If you want, you can write equation 2 here. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. I am substituting x value here. Minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So minus 6 for the 24 plus 9 6 the 54y divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Take LCM. Minus 24 plus 54y minus 11 5 55y is equal to minus 3 divided by 11. I have taken LCM here. 54 plus 55, how much? Minus 24 minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus y is equal to 11 3 is 33. Plus 20, minus 24 goes to the right side. It becomes plus 24. What happens? Minus 33 plus 24. 13 minus 4 is 9. I think y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. If you substitute this y is equal to 9 in equation 3. Equation 3 implies x is equal to minus 4 plus 9 into 9 divided by 11. X is equals to 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are how much? 81. That is 81 minus 4 is 77 divided by 11. Therefore, x is equal to 7. 11 7 is how much? 77. Therefore, what is the fraction? Therefore, we have taken fraction as x by y. What is x? Therefore, the fraction x by y is equal to x is 7, y is 9. Where is y? Y is 9. So this is the fraction. This is the fraction. Understood? Solve these two equations. Next is substitution method. Clear? And the last equation, this is just like Aftab's problem in exercise 1. Means what we have to take Aftab. Ages I have said already. Last problem. I will give the equations. Shall you solve in home? I will give two equations, 1 and 2. By using substitution method, you should solve for x and y. I will give you the equations, okay? 5 years ago, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. See, Jacob and Jacob's son. Let age of third question, last one. What is sixth one? Yes. Third question. Let age of Jacob is equal to x and Jacob's son is equal to y. Jacob's son is equal to y. I am writing here. Y years, okay. X years, Y years. Here, what we have to do? We have to draw the table. This is Jacob age. First, we have to draw present age. We have done this in the problem in exercise 1. In first exercise, we have done same problem. Now present age. How many years ago they have given? 5 years hence means 5 years later. 5 years hence means 5 years later. 5 years later, 5 years from now, 5 years hence. Both are same. Again, what they have given? 5 years ago. They have also given 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Now, this is Jacob. And this is Jacob's son. Present age of Jacob is x and present age of Jacob's son is y. 5 years later means what we have to take? Plus. Later means plus. Ago means 5 years later. We have to draw this table before reading the problem, before writing the equations. See here. Before writing the equations, we have to draw this table. Jacob's son after 5 years, he will be y plus 5. Jacob 5 years ago, x minus 5. Ago means minus. After means plus. Y minus 5. I have already explained. No need to explain again and again. Okay. Next. Now we drew this table. Which is easy method. Now see. Now write the 5 years later means 5 years hence. 5 years hence means later. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. What is the age? 5 years hence. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 3 times that of his son. Understood? 5 years later, we have to see this table. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. This is equation 1. Okay, we have to make it and align it. Solve this. Plus y is equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 15. 3, take this to the left side, this to the right side. X minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. X minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. 15 minus 5 is 10. Take this equation as 1. Take this equation as 1. Again they have given that 5 years ago. 5 years ago means we have seen this table. We have to see this table. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Jacob's age given. What is the given? I am writing here. Jacob is 7 times that of his son, means 7 times of 7 times that of Jacob's son. Jacob's son. This is the given. See here. See properly. 5 years ago means we have to see this table. 5 years ago, Jacob means what? 5 years ago, Jacob is x minus 5 is 7 times that of his son. 7 times that of his son. Okay. Solve this, you will get second equation. 7 into y, 7 5. 7 5 is 35. Take this to the left side, this to the right side. X minus 7y is equals to minus 35 plus 5. X minus 7y is equals to minus 30. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. See, x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Equation 2. So we got equation 1 and equation 2. Now solve by substitution method. Solve by substitution method. Will you solve this? Okay. So in the next class we are going to start elimination method. Same thing. That is easier than this. Elimination method is easier and convenient method than all the methods. In future you are going to use elimination method to solve problems. Okay. So you got 1 and 2. Next remaining part you should do by using substitution method. Okay. Thank you. This ends your class. Thank you. Tomorrow we will continue with the elimination method. Thank you.